If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for POCO F8 Pro, then the answer might be yes. This actually depends on where you live and where you purchase the phone. Because, for example, if you take a look at the back of the box, in the case of the European version, or the global version, I suppose, in this case, we do not have the power adapter. It is simply not included inside the box. So you actually have to purchase one if you want to have a dedicated charger or power adapter for your POCO F8 Pro. And if you, for example, live in some, let's say, Asian countries, like let's say India, then most likely the power adapter is included, but you can also try to check the back of the box as well, just to make sure, or you can try to ask the person that is selling the phone to you if the power adapter is included. And of course, if you still have a power adapter from your previous phone, from your previous device, then most likely you can still use it. If you want to use the original cable that we have inside the box, then we have USB-A to USB-C, so you have to keep in mind that the port most likely has to be USB-A if you want to use the original cable. But if you have your own cable that fits the power adapter and POCO F8 Pro, which is of course USB-C at the bottom, then you can use that as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.